Eto, marami tayong mga pinagdadaanan at nararanasan na minsan di natin inaasahan. At kasabay na mga yan, syempre marami din tayong natututunan. Gusto ko yun. Marami tayong natututunan na mas magiging makabuluhan, lalo na't kasama natin ang mga minamahal natin. And today, makakatsikahan po natin dito sa Minamahal. Syempre walang iba kundi si Ate Jackie and Ricky May.
Yes,
At first time mo, I mean, sa TV, magpapa-interview at pag-uusapan natin yung ganitong topic. Kasi nga, off-cam na pag-usapan natin, it's always you ang natatanong. So, okay, tanong naman natin kay Ricky May. Kasi 2015, nung sinabi mo sa parents mo.
Yes, 2015.
Pero kailan mo nalaman? Kailan mo na-feel na, ay, ito ako?
So, grade 3, mga 9 or 10.
Mga 9 or 10 years old.
Nagkaka-crush na ako sa classmates ko. But I don't parang hindi ko pa naiintindihan kung, okay, so what is being gay? What is same-sex relationship? It's just, I know na kinikilig ako when...
Sa kapwa mong girl?
Yes, sa mga
kasi
classmates
ko. Kasi syempre, 9 years old, 10 years old, ano naman alam? Ano naman exactly? Wala natin alam. Itong girl, hindi naman natin alam. Kasi ikaw, you were just attracted to
same-sex.
Yes.
As I got older, and as we learned in class, and you know, external, then I realized na, okay, it's something that's not so accepted yet. But I think, me lang as a person, and I'm grateful na my parents also, siguro instilled in me an attitude na, yung ganun lang. Okay, whatever, ganun. So, very important yung role ng mga, you know, people in your life talaga. So, yeah, I think it was a unique experience, pero hindi naman siya parang scarring. Thank God, kasi madami talaga na experience, you know, bullying, etc.
So bakit, anong meron sa 2015? Bakit nagkaroon ka ng courage to tell your parents?
Yung girlfriend ko at that time, wanted me to tell you. That's the only reason why.
Okay. It's not because of
Shout out to you! Kaya nandito kami ngayon.
No, she said kasi she would tell me, kasi Mama, I didn't think I needed to tell you kasi alam kong alam mo na.
Yun na nga.
Go back to when I told you. It took me so long to tell you.
Standing up.
Mga 30 minutes, ganun.
I was like, the two of them were standing up. I'm like, tagal ha?
Patingin lang kami, parang...
petsa na, di ba? Sabi ko, Ricky May, do you want me to tell you what I think you will tell Mama? Sabi niya, no, Mama, I have to be the one to tell.
Oo, mahirap pa lang sabihin.
Tagal nang
Bakit sa tingin mo? Bakit sa tingin mo mahirap sabihin?
Oo nga.
Pero, kasi mahirap sabihin kung alam mo na yung mga magulang mo or yung pamilya mo, hindi ka matatanggap. Yun maiintindihan ko. Pero, sa relationship mo with your parents,
I didn't realize na it would be hard. Na it took me 30 minutes to tell you and muster my courage.
Why nga?
Because I know that you and Dad love me, and but I don't know how you'll react. I don't know naman talaga how you'll... I can only hope na parang bank on our love and our relationship.
I think kasi sinasabi
but you never know. I have friends that have been
mahal ako ng nanay at tatay ko, pero
sent to the convent.
Hindi Okay.
And then I realized, sabi ko, why is it so hard to say a part of who I am? Parang if I can't say it, then what? Am I ashamed? So parang I really said, no, I have to say it. Kasi it means something for me to really like put it out there.
Yun ka eh. Ano ma-advise mo sa mga gusto gusto ko nang umamin, ano bang pwede i-advise sa kanila?
It's difficult to just give one piece of advice because it depends on the circumstance. So I always say, well, if you're mustering up the courage to say it, I always advise to go muna, not to your parents kaagad, but to your friends and to maybe your cousins or someone that you feel comfortable with, para you feel that support. The support is so important kasi. So parang if you go first to the parents, tapos biglang then you might feel, you know, iba yung dating sa'yo.
Baka ma-depress ka pa, na feeling mo wala kang kakampi.
But if you know na, okay, my parents are not accepting right now, but I have ate, kuya, cousins, gano'n.
So parang you're saying you need a support group.
Super
May
important.
mga ibang pader ka.
Kumbaga support group talaga na mapagkakatiwalaan mo.
Yes.
Ate Jackie, sa mga parents naman na yung parang na nakakaramdam na tayo na naku, parang ganito nga, pero paano ko pa? Kasi okay lang kung accepting eh. Parang ikaw na-accept mo na yun, wala namang problema sa'yo. Paano dun sa mga nanay or dun sa mga tatay na hirap talaga, hindi ko ma-accept, no!
I know it's easier said than done,
Right,
pero I think if you focus on the fact that you love your child, I think little by little, everything will just,
Hindi lang po si Ate Jackie ang makakausap namin about this. Meron pa kaming surprise para sa inyo.
Wow.
Ito pala, watch this.
I found out kasi she wrote me a letter. Naalala ko, yellow pad pa yon. And then she told me in the letter, it's quite a long letter, no? That she's different and that if it's okay to be what she wants, ganon. And of course, tinanggap ko kaagad yun. Walang hesitation, wala, nothing. Basta, ang para sa akin, I told her kung saan siya happy, dun siya. At happy ako doon. So, yun, magmula nun, okay naman lahat. And I'm very, very happy for her. I'm proud of her. So, Ricky May, good luck sa'yo. And, Papa will always be Papa for you. And I will always be here for you. You know that. And good luck to all your endeavors. Yun. I love you.
Your dad's so cute.
Love you, Dad. Kaya pala nag-close ng door yan yesterday. Sabi, magbe-video lang ako.
Para dito pala yun.
Oo. No, but my dad always, both of them naman, very, wala akong masabi. Parang, siguro if they weren't the way they are, then I wouldn't be as comfortable then with who I am. So, love you, Dad. See you at home.
Oh, thank you so much,
Thank
Ate
you
Jackie
also.
and Ricky May. Thank you. Okay, up next, naku, sina Bubay at Tekla naman ang uupo sa ating hot seat. Naku! Kaya naman tutok lang dahil magpapatuloy pa rin po ang Sarap Diba!